and the pencil and the glue. This is so sticky glue. Cannot do on our hand. It can stick. And we cannot open it anymore when it's dry. It can stick more. But you stick on your hand. And the scissor can hurt your finger when we can do like this. Yeah, and the pens are sharp, like it can grip our fingers. Yeah, be careful with all of these. I cannot hurt this and this. And I'm also being careful to use all this. Wait a minute. This is the happy one. Play. Happy, 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 happy. You know it? And some drawings there. Look. Khadija. There's some items there. There's a name for Khadija. Yeah? We're gonna start to make cards. I'm putting my items on my backside. And now the circle can be on the glue. And we can do this one with the flowers. The flowers need these bubbles. You know, I have the Christmas day at the school. And you like the Christmas tree? I see it on school. This is blue and now I'm doing the blue one. Oh, oops. Now I'm holding. This is blue. I made it in this pan. Look, you want to see what happens now? Look at this. I made it. Now what I do with I don't know. I was in Bangladesh and I played a silly baby game. And you know which silly baby game? This silly baby game. You don't see it? Yeah, I know you will see it, but I don't know now. And I know it now. How we can make it like this. And my mom is silly to make like this. What happened? You want to see? Now we need to cut the small ones here. Then we need to do a heart thing. Cutting, what you cutting? Today I'm making something with. Look at this. This is for the Christmas tree. And you know it? I made it by myself. This one can do the left one and this one can do the right one. Yeah? And we can say and I'm gonna make more? I want to make more for you? Okay. But cannot work. I made the fan and my daddy made the wrong one. Do you like my fan? Hello my friends. I made a pan, but it's so cute. I can give it to you. Like this we can hold it. But my mom didn't ask me, Miss didn't give me a pan. Yes. Now I'm gonna make a beautiful card. Like it's like a hairband. This is gum. We can say gummy bears too. I'm making it pan, but I'm making it so hard. It's so sticky. Don't touch the pan's glue. It's so sticky. Pan. This gum is coming to my hand. It's okay. It's a little bit. Don't touch it anymore. I need to draw it. I need to dry it first. Then I need to do it like this. This way we do the pan. I'm keeping it to dry. But It's so tricky to do it, and I made it by myself. And no helps. And triangle first. And like this is a rectangle. It's so tricky to do that too. Now I'm gonna make the flower. Here's the circle and like this. This is the flower I made. Look. Look at the flower. It's so nice. You like it? Flower. Now I'm gonna cut it. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Later, want to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Teddy's want to play. And he wants to play in the mud. And he wants to play. Still, he wants to play. This is very tough. Can you help me? No need to my friend, and I can do it myself. Look. It's like a hairdryer. It's like a pan. No, it's like a I made a flower like this. You know how I made it? Friends, do you learn how I made it? I'm showing you. I don't know how to make it too. How? How we make it? Like this? First, I need to fold it like this, and this here, and this. Then I will need to cut it. Like this, or like this. How? I want a little bit round. This one? Then you know it, how I make it a little bit round. And ta-da. What happened? It's like a flower, but we cannot take the flower out from the garden. That's very bad. And if you see them, it's good. If you take them, it's not good. When we take all the flowers from the garden, it's bad. When we see them, it's good. Only we see them, yeah? Now I'm gonna cut it. This way we only cut. Now say I like your comments. Say it. Say I like your comments. Say it like this. Look. Now like this. Look. I'm making it. Now I need sticky glue. Oh, sticky hands. Look, I made one. This is the big one and this is the small one. But it's okay to make a small one. Oh, but this can work too. Look, a barbecue soon. Hello. Now I'm gonna cut a heart shape. Now you like the heart shape? Heart shape means I love you. And bad means I don't like you. Yeah? Only like this means I don't like you. And only like the heart, I love you. Yeah? Now I'm gonna cut it. Now see how I cut it. I round it and round it and round it. Look at the heart shape. Now I need glue. I am almost finished. I can make cards. But this one, so I need to cut the table. Here I can put it all away. Now I can do it. Now give me sticky glue. I need this heart here and this flower here. And this one here. Now I need the diamond here. I fixed the heart. Now I need to do this flower. Now I need to do this flower here. And more glue. What? Sticky. Now I need to open the glue. I'm making some. I'm making a pan. Oh, it's very sticky. The babies. See it? Oh. Ah! I did so hard. Yeah, you know it? Really, you sir? No. I said I need the diamonds on, and my mommy didn't give me the diamonds. I can do the lips. 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 Lips is lipstick. I'm done. You like my pan? First it was pan and is now a card. Now it have blue on. Now I can go tomorrow in school and I gonna give this one to my miss. If you try me, friend, you can get your miss. And I you do it so hard. And you know I do the small one. It was easy and was super easy. I made it for my miss. You know it? I made the flower ones, but my mom didn't do the two ones. These ones. Thank you for watching my video and like and subscribe my channel. See you next video. See you next video. Bye bye, I love this.